In this tutorial I will show you what is important if you want the right color. Let's drag and drop an image. The Confirm Profile Conversion dialog box is displayed only when you open a file whose profile is not the same as the working color space, and the color management settings are configured to ask when a mismatch is detected. In this case, I select Convert. The image has now been given the color space we want to edit in. If you select Do Not Convert, you will continue with the color profile of the image as working color space. Let's open Color Management Settings. You can anytime save the current color management settings in a file by clicking the Save As. A saved file can later be restored using the Load button. The buttons are at the top of the dialog box. You can enable or disable color management. When disabled, all the other color management settings are ignored, and no color management is performed. If color management is disabled, some features, such as printing with a custom profile, will be unavailable, and the colors will not be quite right. There are two settings in color management which have a big influence on how the colors are reproduced. It is RGB working color space, and especially monitor profile. I would recommend sRGB and Adobe RGB if you want a slightly larger color space, especially in the green area. The color space of most images is sRGB and most monitors have the same color space. Monitor profile lets you specify the profile that characterizes your monitor. It tells the color management system how to change the color values of the image to get the correct colors on the screen. An incorrect profile will change the color reproduction on the screen. This means that you can no longer trust what you see. Are you unsure which profile to choose? Then select Set Monitor Profile from System Settings and select Full Gamut in Monitor Rendering Intent. You can save the settings by pressing OK. Thanks for watching. If you like it, then subscribe to new tutorials.